Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a 7x7 wig unit. I made this wig before, I'm just reinstalling it, but we are using the new glue that Kiss put out, Kiss Almighty Bond. And so far, I like this glue, even though like I put clips and then I'm gonna upload another video of me crimping my wig, and that's gonna be like damn near day 4 of wearing it. And normally when you know your lace front gets old, it gets all gooey and nasty looking. With this glue, I didn't experience that, and I was like, oh shit, Kiss done did it again. Kiss comes out with good products, honestly, and I like it. I support it. I actually found this glue at my beauty supply, and I was like, oh shit, I seen another YouTuber do it. I'm subscribed to her channel, and she was showing how the glue was good. I was like, shit, let me test this out. Okay. But I put at least 2 to 3 layers of glue on. I'm not sure if, oh well, shit, I didn't mention it, but I did put 2 to 3 layers. This lace is HD lace. I have a vendor that just sells like HD everything, so my next step is to try 8x8 because I seen they had those. But overall, I pressed the wig in, doing what I do. It's getting melted. It's getting late. I tinted the lace with my little concealer palette, but overall the tint, if it had a tint before, it was probably tinted when I dabbed powder on it underneath it as well, which is cool. But overall, I feel like 7x7 wigs are very convenient. And with doing my baby hairs is already intact, so I really didn't have to do much but go back over it, cut and correct and melt as well. Now, as far as me styling it, I flexi rodded this and it was pretty cool. But I'm gonna just show y'all how I twisted it around it because the footage of this was really long, so I had to cut it short. But I twisted it around and rolled it up and pinch, and I'm gonna insert a clip of me taking it out the next day and styling it. Also wanted to mention that I use a lot of body mousse when doing this. Like I just put some in my hand, just rub it on my hair, and twist the hair around the flexi rod. I put a lot of body mousse because when it dries up, I wanted my hair to be bouncy and have body and shine. And I also wanted to mention when I roll the flexi rods, I roll away from my face. So like when like this bang part, it could have that little swoop action. But I did that for like both sides. I rolled away from my face. And it just like I don't know, it just gives that extra Okay, so I am getting ready for work. This is the next day. I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. Well, shit, really the next couple of hours, cause I feel like I didn't get enough sleep. Really? Let me see. I'm gonna sit that right there. My undertone is weird, so to me, I feel like it'd be hard for me to find makeup with a red undertone. So if you're like me, you have that problem, you could just definitely understand how it is. Hold on. Oh, I honestly should have just did like this much of my face, literally. That much. Okay, gonna put it all on my nose because I motherfucking wear a mask all day. Okay, so mm. If you're gonna ask what I'm wearing, I like to wear big t-shirts. Um, I never did a makeup tutorial before. I wouldn't even say this a makeup tutorial. If y'all want me to do one, I don't mind. I know how to do makeup, but this is gonna be some basic shit. Sorry, I'm sorry. I don't mean to cuss. But oops, I gotta pee. This is the Fenty Beauty. I'll be using this to help me get like a red undertone. Like I start off here and brush up. Then I go here. And that'd be a bronzy basket. I ain't gonna lie. So when this first came out, I was like, I need the darkest shade y'all got, or the second to the darkest shade. Oops. I really use a lot of drugstore makeup. In my honest opinion. don't know if y'all think I look cute, but we finna see. No, my hair a little damp. I'm finna go get something to dry. Hell no. We finna run that dryer up. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching my channel. My next video will be me crimping my hair. These are pictures of my hair because it fell like super late at night. And the next clip I will be showing you is a client with curly hair.